Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the Tuesday, July 8th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Let's start off with a couple of the web cameras from across the great state of North Carolina. Kill Devil Hills, the Avalon Pier web camera on the left, Beach Mountain Parkway camera on the right from resortcams.com. And it is a quiet start to the day from mountains to coast all across the state. Temperature 76 degrees there in Kill Devil Hills, 61 in Beach Mountain. Again, no big problems out there this morning whatsoever. It was a pretty hot day yesterday, though. The July weather built back in here pretty significantly. And a lot of us are going to be even a little bit hotter today. Hit 96 in Raleigh yesterday, 92 in Greensboro, Charlotte at 91, Fayetteville 94. A lot of 70s on the board. It's even 80 right now in Cape Hatteras. A little bit cooler up there in the mountains. Boone checking in at 59. Your dew point temperatures, they're up there, 60s and even 70s. And pretty muggy setups on the way, and a pretty hot day today as well. Now, our next cold front off to the northwest of us. Pretty good areas of showers and thunderstorms near that front, and that'll really ramp up our shower and storm chances, especially tomorrow. Now, as far as today is concerned, certainly very quiet out there this morning. This is Storm Tracker as we speak. Offshore, rather, you have a few areas of showers and thunderstorms lifting northeast, but to look at the activity with that next cold front, couple severe thunderstorm warnings as I'm cutting this video in southern parts of Indiana. And you can see some renewed development on the outflow from that activity there in parts of Arkansas and western Kentucky. And again, this whole frontal boundary relatively active. Most of what you see there is associated with that front that's dropping in our direction. Now, it's going to be a hot day today. And as we go through the course of today, some isolated showers and storms are a possibility. They will become more likely the farther north and west you go in the state, to the mountains, the foothills, the northern Piedmont, especially, say, Winston-Salem and points north and west from there. That's where the best zone of any shower and storm chances will be today and this evening. Look at these highs around the region today. Getting pretty hot, 97 in Columbia and Fayetteville, mid-90s, and many other spots across the Piedmont. And that dew point getting up there in that the uncomfortable and even closer to the coast into the oppressive territory now as the summertime humidity is returned. Now, tomorrow, as this front gets a little closer, I think a pretty good chance for these scattered showers and thunderstorms out there. Still a pretty hot day. Your high is still well into the 90s in many spots tomorrow. And then as we get into Thursday and Friday, the front kind of eases a little further south. So it might be that the best chance for rain and storms is, say, south and east of Interstate 85 Thursday and Friday, but I'm going to leave in the chance anywhere of at least a few showers and storms for Thursday and Friday. Now, over the weekend, we'll see that front kind of fall apart. There's really no major triggering mechanisms for a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity. The next cold front still well off to the north, so I think only a few isolated storms this weekend, and it will be a relatively hot weekend as well. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.